Me and my family lives here in Taani house, and it's situated in a forest. That was 5 years ago already. At that time, that was a new area. There was no houses at all, and we wanted to come to the area where all the houses around us will be new houses. The area will be new development area. We were looking at some wooden, the forest plot, that lots of forest and a quiet place. In Estonia is lots of forest. More easy to find the plots with the forest. 5 degrees cooler temperature when you live here in the forest. But next to the sea is much cooler. We are about 400 meters is the sea.
And we have now a family-owned company in Estonia. We are designing the houses, and also we have a construction team.
The design, usually we do the design. I have been before in CLT and in Happy Home house as well. Because I have all the resources and I don't know anything to do. It's obvious, I'll build the house for myself. We did it actually very fast. It took four months. And this is very unique design, this house, because it's engineered this way that the weight is outside of the building. It gives us a clean view and glued corner windows without pillars.
This house is throughout 3.8 ceilings. So it's really spacious, and we have used here many windows and to get a lot of forest to the house. In this house we have used this like inner gardens that bring light to the house. So in exterior we have used mostly wooden facade, so it's painted. And all around the house we have a terrace, so you can go outside from every room. So in this house we have the architectural idea is also to have this indoor-outdoor living, because we are in the forest. So the nature is really nice here, and to this side we have this big glass facade, and we have a 6-meter long window that you can open. Really nice this that you have this outdoor-indoor living like space. We have this terrace with the roof. But we also use these openings in the roof to give the light to the house, and also to this like table south there. Evening light is coming from the west, so it's really nicely coming to the table through these openings. Also we use this big roof to protect the house from the sun and the terrace area from the rain. So this is the hallway. Here when you come to the house, you can see through the house. So you can see the nature outside. So this is the main interior design element here. So this is our living room. Here the main focus is this views to the forest. We are big hosts, so we like to have our friends over. So we have a big kitchen area to cook the dinners and make this table to have all the things together. Here we also have the fireplace. In Estonia we have really cold winters. Almost every house has, when you have a private house, has this fireplace. Nowadays you have the house very energy efficient and warm, but this is just for emotional reasons.
95% of the time I make food. I like to cook. Now it's a little bit side, but I have many years was dealing with wines. A little bit it was a business as well, but the best time I had 6,000 wines, different wines in cellar.
In this interior, we have used these wall panels, black ones. So all the doors, you don't see them. They are like with the same as the walls. So this is our sauna room. We use here this wooden sauna. So it's really nice in winter time. And in Estonia we have this really big sauna culture. So almost every house, when you are doing a private house, we are doing sauna. So it's like in Finland also, because we have these long, dark winters. So every family uses this in winter time. In Estonia, we have this tradition that you, in winter time, you go to the sauna and then jump to the lake, sea, or snow. So the snow is even colder than the sea. So this is the master bedroom. Here we have this open area. We have like this bedroom. And here you can also go outside to the terrace. And also we have a small bathroom here. We have used different stone walls, micro cement. So it's water resistant, and we have used it all over the house in bathrooms and also in the living room, and we have the walls. And mainly we have used this warmer gray colors in the ceilings and in walls, because we are in the woods. This is more calmer than the all white everything. This is our children bathroom. So they are using mostly the bath. Here you can see how the inner gardens let in this light. Here is one of our kids' room. 8-year-old girl. She has a living area here, but playing area upstairs.
If I'm going to make my next house, somewhere in the future, sometimes, I don't know. For myself, I can't figure out concept than this house. I can maybe make this bigger or something, change the design, but the basic idea, it's unique. It's very, very good. This is my dream house, yeah.